Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Thanks for watching again. Here we have this Crosman semi-auto R1, straight out of the box. We've got the owner's manual. Always useful to have a little look. It don't look too bad, the Crosman R1. A few bits I've noticed. Front muzzle is absolutely plastic. Unlike the other ones, they're metal. It's a bit of a cheeky one, but never mind. Got the old speed loader in the magazine. 25 BBs, 2 CO2s, 12 grams. Pretty much just like the DPMS really. The only difference is it's not as well made. The stock can be changed straight away, which is always handy. Right, so far, what we have changed. I've taken this handguard off my old Crosman DPMS ages ago. And I also took the rails off something else, the old Picatinny rails, the slots. Which I actually think looks pretty good. So, this isn't really going to stay like this though, this is just temporary. You know, I like playing around with them, so I do these things. But I have better plans, which I'm keeping a bit secret for now. Not letting everyone know what I'm doing. So anyway, eventually these are going to be drilled out. In the right places, obviously, it's just an idea for now. I think I'm going to cut away most of the top slots, flatten it off. I'm only doing this because I've got one and I don't want to keep buying things, so I reckon I can make something pretty good out of this. Change the front muzzle flash, whatever you want to call it, flash suppressor, change that to the metal one because the R1 is plastic, it's horrible, but that will be painted up as well. The sights, I'm going to find some better ones. Optics, my Zombie Stomometer EOTech. Now the battery is flat, but when that lights up, it's either red or green, you have the zombie symbol as the red dot. It's a pucker little. Yeah, there you go. You have that as your red dot, either red or green. Here's a pucker little copy. It works so well. I like a co-witness. I set that to these. I'm never wrong. As far as I see, that always works. You know when that's out of line straight away because you got these up. You don't have to keep them up. You can keep them down. But, you know, I think it looks a little bit better. Temporary. I ain't got black ones. You put this on just for a bit of better grip. Just taking this off my airsoft now. Without telling you my plan, this actually goes quite well with it. So rather than getting another one, I think this is going to work with what I do. It's got a nice rubber grip on the end, so it's quite soft when you're holding it. But this is going to look totally different. I don't know if it's a good idea, but I think I love what I'm doing. So there we have it. We're going to take her outside as it is and have a little shoot. So it's just light, but I just found a lovely big lump of ice, so we're going to shoot that up as well. Big old thick bit of ice out of a bucket, give that a little shoot over. But there we have it, guys, what I've got done so far. A few little changes out of bits in the box I had. That's come off me Glock Ronnie, but I think it's going to be better on this. Might raise her up a bit as well. I might stick a little razor under it. I'm going to change that for metal. But this is going to look so different, guys. You ain't going to see that tan again. You're going to see bits of black. Little bits of stained black, definitely. But it's probably going to be painted better. And we're changing this grip. I think you're going to love what I'm doing. It's going to be the best one yet. It's going to look wacky. But thanks for watching, everyone. We'll go out in the garden and have a little shoot up with that block of ice. So there you have it, everyone. My Crosman R1. I'm going to start stripping this down now, and hopefully I'll do a few little videos as I update it, as I make my progress, show you what's going on. Hopefully it's going to turn out one little beast of a rifle. Right, you're going to love it. Alright, a few of you are going to knock it, but if I get the right colour I want, it's going to look really good. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed. I will keep you posted on the progress. So I'm going to go and strip that down now. Next time you see it, it's either going to be in bits or a finished project. But let's see what happens. Thank you, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have, thank you very much. Nearly 800 subscribers now. Let's get them watch hours up a bit though. YouTube is seriously taking them away from me somehow. It shows a massive increase, but never mind. It is what it is. I do it more for fun than anything. So there you go, guys. I'll keep you posted. Thank you for watching.